So we are in the running topic, accrual deferral, right? So accrual deferral topic. So accrual deferral topic, I already explained it. So how to create accrual deferral document and how to post the transactions, all these things, right? So here, what is the use of accrual deferral document is? This is one of the month-end process. So you have to clear some kind of transactions, right, monthly. So those transactions you are supposed to pay next month the first. In that case, what to do? We will not give credit to bank. Okay, then we can give credit to outstanding expense account. Then again you have to create it. So you have to clear it. So then there might be the provision amount might be increase or decrease it. Then if you go and clear it here open item basis, so the tracking problem will be. That's why list of this method. So here if you go to accrual deferral method, month end, make process, generate the reports for that report for that month. Then immediately next month first, you reverse it. So as it is, expense account to here it will become credit and outstanding account here will become debit. So will be nullified it. So then after that, when you know the actual amount, so then you can post one actual transaction. This will be very, very easy method. Okay, so that's why everybody would prefer accrual deferral method to close the books, month-end provisions. Understand which cases will go for these transactions? Where you are supposed to pay the amount in the next month of the first week of next month, right? So in such cases, so how we can close the books for current month? You have to go for accrual deferral method, month and date. And the immediate reverse it in the next month first. If you don't reverse it, it will be double effect when you pay again. Right? That's it. So you will observe the accounting entities impact. Okay? Good. So that is the topic. So as a part of that, so configuration side, we have to create one reason code for reversal. Why we have to create reason code for reversal is here we are going to reverse the transaction, right? So for that purpose, we have to create a reason code. Okay, define reason code for reversal. Here the document. Yes, correct. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, here the configuration side, I'll show you. So first step is define reason codes for reversals. And before going to create here accrual deferral document, you have to specify the reason code. The accrual deferral document itself will do specify the reason code. Okay, so then when you run this reversal, automatically will reversal, and in the reversal document, the reason code will specify the reason for reversal of this transaction. So as part of that, first here we declared reason codes. This is the path to configure the reason codes. There is no T code path. You have to use it and go on define it. Let me go on define the reason codes. Path already given the notes. Yesterday you already noted down in last session. So please concentrate. So reason code for reversals. So we can create one reason code here. Okay, correct. Before going to create reason codes, so I want you to understand these two checkbox functionalities. The first checkbox functionality is here, alternate posting date allowed. So what does that mean is, while reversing the transaction, if you don't specify any posting date, then by default, on which date the original document was posted, right? Okay, so the reversal document would be reverse on the same date. Example, January 15th. Okay, I have posted one transaction. Now I have realized it was posted incorrectly. I would like to reverse it. If I reverse it, And if I don't specify any posting date while reversing the transaction, by default, the document will be reversed on the same original date of the document. Means January 15th, it will be reversed. In case January month was closed, now management is not accepting to post the transaction January month. They suggested us to post in the current month. So in that case, that is alternative date. That is alternative date. To reverse the transaction with any alternative date. So in that particular reason, you must select it. If you don't select the checkbox, system will not allow you to specify the alternative posting date. Okay. If you want to see, quickly I'll show you one transaction. Say for example, I am not going to select the checkbox. Example, save it. Okay, save it. Let me use an existing document, or else I can go and post on transaction also. For example, first let me get any existing document. Document reversal, right? Separate activity. It will be covered. Okay, next topic. So there are two types of activities. One is mass reversal and one is individual reversal. Mass reversal means more than one document can be reversed at a time. I will tell you later how to reverse the transaction. This is not the time. Okay. Here, first you have to specify the document number which you would like to reverse it. And then here you have to specify the reason code also. If you don't have the document number, so you can go to the list also. And you can enter your company code and execute it. And you can get the document numbers list. No documents are posted in this company code. Why? By default, okay, no problem. And let me use existing one and execute it. Okay. We have posted a lot of transactions. Right? Okay. See here. See, there are a lot of transactions you have posted. This is the place where you can see the documents list. Right? For example, you can take any document. You can take any document. So, for example, let me use this company code. Okay, example here. See, any date you can select. 8th January, or maybe yes, 5th January. See here, 5th January. I have posted a document. Example, 5th January, I have posted a document. So some gift card expenses to bank account to document number 63. Okay, so actually it is 8,000. By mistake, it was posted 80,000 rupees. So in this case, you have to reverse it, right? Okay, so let me go to document reversal T code FB08. Okay, you'll understand later. Don't worry. Document number. What is the document number? 63. 63. Reason code for reversal is 01. See here, I am not going to specify any document posting date here. Observe carefully. In that case, what will happen? On which date it was posted? 5th January it was posted, right? So by default, the document will be reversed on the same date. Let me use any document. Or maybe 21st. Okay, it has some kind of backend information. So example, so 16th January, I am going to post on transaction. Just observe here carefully. 16th January. Okay, I am posting on transaction in my company code FT01. Observe here carefully. Some expenses account data are. What it says, period 10 is not open, right? So in this case, what did I say? You can go to OB52 month and closing activities. Okay, open close posting period and my company code FT01. See, only February, March months are open. So where you are going to post the transaction 10th period. Okay, example 10th period. 10th to December, okay, March 10th means 12 means January to March it was open. Let's go and post the transaction here. Document date to posting date, today's date, May 16th, January. See here, some expenses account, how much amount, some amount, 50, and here cash or bank account, amount star, text plus, simulated. See here, example, expenses account means rent account at R to bank account, so credit. When it is going to, so when it was posted, example in this case, document number 34. So when it was posted, the document was posted on 16th January. We have posted. Okay, now we realized it was posted incorrectly. It was posted incorrectly. So document number 34 in this company code in this fiscal year. Okay, good. So in this case, what you are supposed to do is, okay, there is a place to reverse the transaction. FB08. Okay, one by one I'll introduce it. What is the document number you are going to reverse it? 34, right? See here, document number 34. Okay, you can simply save it. This is the way you are supposed to reverse it. When you are going to reverse the transaction, you have to specify the document number, company code, fiscal year, and reason, and simply save it. If you reverse it, if you save it, document will be reversed. But before going to reverse, you can just go and check it also, whether it can be posted, okay, correct document or not, whether it's correct document or not. Yes, correct document. Okay, fine, perfect. If you want to save it, simply save it. If I save it now here without specifying any date, okay, on which date it was posted? 16th, right? It will be posted on the same date. It will be posted on the same date. See, 35 was posted. If I go and open the document number 35, see, it was posted on 16th. See, I didn't specify any date. Then what happened? Okay, it would be reversed on the same date. On which date the document was posted? No, on the same date it would be posted. It would be reversed. How do you know it's what is reversed or not? See, the document number here, rent here become credit, bank here become debit. So posting case position also changed it, and also you can see reversal document. If you click on this is the original document. Rent account to bank account. This document was reversed by this document. So this is here rent credit to bank debit. Like this, you can see the details. Forget, I will show you. Okay, what is reverse document? How many types of reversal documents we have? All these things I'll show you in the next topic. Now this is not the topic. Okay, here we need to understand about the reason codes. While creating the reason codes, there are two checkboxes are there. I'm just going to explain. Okay, practically what is the use of alternative posting date. Okay, now I'll show you. Okay, here what happened? Okay, while reversing the transaction, if you don't specify any posting date, by default, okay, system would reverse the transaction on the same original posting date. Okay, let me create one more document with the selection. Now I have executed this transaction without selection, right? Okay, now let us see. One more document, I am going to post it. For another example, this is the way you are supposed to post expenses account at R, some amount. See here, rent account at R to bank account. To example, 16th January posted. Okay, done. So, and due to some, okay, for example, every month, right? Okay, so we have to close the period. So, example, now currently we are in March month. Currently we are in March month. So that's why everybody would open February month and March month. Means 11th period, 12th periods are open. January month is closed here. Example, understand. Save it. Save it. Done. Now I realized document number. Okay, document number 36 are just now posted. Document number 36 was posted incorrectly. Now I realized it. Document number 36 was posted incorrectly. Actually, it was posted on January month. Okay, means 10th period. Now I have to reverse it. This document was posted incorrectly. The amount is incorrect. So I would like to reverse it. 36, right? So in this case, okay, we have to go to reverse transaction. Just to go to the reverse transaction. Okay, reverse base 08. What is the document number? 36. So when it was posted, you can go and check it. 16th January it was posted. Okay, if I try to say execute it, what it says, period 10 is closed it. It will not allow you to reverse it. Then I would go and check with management. Management told clearly, boss, okay, January month already closed it. Okay, so if there are any documents you would like to reverse it, don't worry. You reverse it in the current month. You reverse it in the current month. So current month means March. So March date, for example, today 28th March 2022. I would like to reverse it. If I try to save it, reverse it, it will give message. Basu, the reason code which you have selected doesn't allow you to enter alternative date. How come it is alternate date? See, it's a different date, right, to the original portion date. Original document was posted on 16th January. Okay, now you are trying to reverse the document on post 28th March. So it will not accept. Okay, now the reason code is not allowing you to specify alternative portion date. So what did you understand here overall summary was, while reversing the transaction, if you don't specify any posting date, by default system will take original posting date of the document. In case you would like to reverse the transaction on different date due to some valid reasons, in that case, at this reason code level, so you must select alternative portion allowed checkbox and save it. Then next time when you reverse it, so it will accept it. When you reverse, so that time the system will allow you to reverse the transaction on any date which is different to your original portion of the document. See, now 28th March I have entered. Save it. See here. Now successfully document is going to be posted. See, posted. 37 was posted. If you go and open the document number 37, see here how it was posted. 37. Your posting date is in March month, 12th period. Your invoice date January 16th. But when it was posted? March. If you go to original document, 36. See, 36 document was posted 16th. But same 36 document was reversed by 37. When it was posted, 28th. Is this same data, alternate data, alternative data. So to accept this alternate data, what should we do? We have to enable this indicator in your reason code, whatever you are going to use while reversing the transaction. Otherwise, it will not accept. Meaning itself is allowed alternate portion or not. Okay, I have given explanation. Okay, in the notes in last session. What did I say? Was while reversing a document, if you don't specify any posting date, by default, the document will be reversed on the same original posting of the document. One second. Okay, so that is the one thing. So whatever reason code you are going to use, make sure in that reason code the checkbox is selected or not. Otherwise, it will not allow, it will not accept to allow to reverse the document with different dates. Okay, that's the main point. Practically, you have seen this functionality. Second thing is negative postings allowed. Okay, everybody. Okay, so please new joiners. So okay, so if you want, you can wait for a few minutes. Okay, well, if you want, you can write it down also, no issues. Write down. Alternate posting date allowed, you understand, right? Okay, that's what it is. See, meaning itself is alternate posting date to be allowed or not. If you select it, it will accept. Otherwise, it will not accept it. Next one, negative postings allowed. So put heading. I hope you already noted down this heading. I would like to explain this. If you complete this field, no, that's next topic, accrual deferral topic. See, we are in part. Okay, we are in the middle of accrual deferral document. So to create accrual deferral document, we have to specify the reason code. While creating the reason code, there are two checkboxes are there. I am going to explain those two checkbox fields functionality practically. Okay, so nothing is there here to get confused. Please concentrate. Our topic is accrual deferral document. Okay. Okay, while creating the accrual deferral document, we have to specify the reason code for reversal. So how we can create reason codes? I'm showing you here. Write down negative postings allowed. Negative postings allowed. So first let me show you the output. Then I'll give you definitions. Definition. Okay. So please concentrate. See, generally, if you post a document, how it will be updated? Expenses account to bank account. This is the document I have posted. Assume expenses account data 56,000, bank account 56,000. In case if I reverse it, how it will be posted? Bank account data to expenses account. Okay, like these two accounting entries will be generated. If I go and check my ledger balances, either bank account or expense account, no. Let us see. Here in this case, I have taken expense account balance. So how it will be posted when this document was posted? Okay, this was okay, it will be posted in the example now 12th period. Okay, so March month. If I reverse it, if I post it right, expense account is debit, right? So expense account okay, ledger I'm verifying here. Debit side was posted. When I reverse it, expense account is here credit, right? So here credit side will be posted. Balance debit to minus credit is equal to 0. And account to cumulative balance also here 0. This is the way it will be displayed in the normal case. I'll give you time to write down also. Don't write. I'll give you definition, then I'll give you time to write down this example. Please concentrate. Like this, it will be posted it. But if I select native posting allowed checkbox, what will happen? Same scenario. Instead of updating opposite side, credit side, when you reverse the transaction, this amount will be reduced in the same side. The amount will be reduced in the same side. But net balance is 0, but way of displaying is different. See, normal method lo, the amount is updated credit side. In negative posting method, what happened? Instead of updating opposite side, it will reduce the amount from the same side. That is the difference between normal method and the negative postings method. Okay, first write down the definition. Practically, if you want to see, I'll show you the system also. Write down the definition. Negative postings allowed. Generally, when we reverse a document, generally when we reverse a document, the incorrect debit balance will be updated credit side. The incorrect debit balance will be updated in credit side. The incorrect debit balance will be updated in credit side, and incorrect credit amount will be updated debit side. Okay? Incorrect debit amount will be updated credit side, and incorrect credit amount will be updated debit side. Generally, okay, when we reverse normally, okay, when we reverse document, incorrect debit amount will be updated credit side, and incorrect debit credit amount will be updated in debit side. Full stop. Okay, full stop. Whereas by selecting the indicator, whereas by selecting the indicator, whereas by selecting the indicator, when we reverse a transaction, when we reverse a document, when we reverse a document, when we reverse a document, the system would reduce the amount from the same side. The system would reduce the amount from the same side. The system would reduce the amount from the same side. System would reduce the amount from the same side. Full stop. Full stop. Example. Okay, example. Write down here. Document number 1, for example. I'll show you whatever you are going to write down. I'm going to show you in the system. Example. The next expense account to bank account. The expenses account to bank account. Next is a reverse type. Okay, that time bank account to expense account. Like this, I have created 2 entries. Then impact wise at account level. Okay, write down this. Then to push around how it will be displayed, and then how it will be displayed. Write it down. Let me know once you're done. Done? Yeah, sir. Okay, good. If anyone not done, just take the print screen and you can write it down later. Use some space. Okay. So now, practically the same thing I'm going to show you in SAP system. Okay, observe here carefully. Okay. Let me create one new account. Okay, to see the balances effect perfectly. Mm, So example, let me use an existing account as a reference. Okay, we can create it as this. So example, okay, you know very well how to create a digital account, right? So now this is one new account I'm creating. Why I'm creating new account is you can use existing account also, but you have to see the effect, the ledger at what level it is updated. So that's why instead of checking this with the existing records, let me create one new account and freshly post one transaction. This is one transaction. Let's post one transaction newly. Go to this. Okay, first verify this account, enter it. Amount how much? 60,000 rupees. Okay, 3 and 2 bank cash or bank account amount star text plus simulate it, save it. Okay, save it. Document was posted successfully. 38 document number here is 38. When it was posted, okay, March. So 80, okay, 12th period. Okay, good. If I go and check my ledger balance of this rent account, see here carefully. There is a T code is there. You will okay, okay, you will come to know that later. Don't worry. This is one transaction code where you can see the ledger balances. Okay, ledger balances. Now, if you want to go through path, right? So you can go through path also. This is the transaction code. Display GL account balances. Here, account number 400 112. Execute it here. See here. Execute. What happened? So March means 12th period, right? So 12th period, so debit side expense account to bank account, right? So debit side it is updated. Understand here carefully. Debit side it was updated. What is the document number? If you double click on it, you come to document number 38. Okay, super. Now let me reverse this transaction. Then what will happen? The same amount to it will update it here. Credit side. How? Bank account debit to rent account credit. So credit side it will be updated. So that is normal process. Let me reverse it. Let me reverse it now. Separate T code is there now to reverse the transaction. FB08. What is document number 38? I am not going to specify any date. By default, it will post on the same date. Means March month itself. Example, save it. Example, save it. One second. Please be on sorry. Okay, document number 39 was posted. If you display document number 39 here, see, when it was posted, same 28, right? Okay, just go and see in the ledger balance how it will be reflected. Go back and execute it. See here, debit balance when we reverse it, so it will update it credit balance. So balance, net balance is 0, cumulative balance also here 0. This is normal reversal method. Okay, if you reverse the document in normal method, it will be displayed like this. Understand? Okay. In case if I have activated the negative postings option, so then what is the impact? Okay, this is what it is. Now note, make a note. Note. Okay, note. The negative posting indicator, the negative posting permitted indicator, the negative postings permitted indicator must be set at both the places. Must be set at both the places. Must be set at both the places. At company code level, global parameters, at company code level, global parameters level, OBY6. At company code, global parameters level. Okay, for a quick reference purpose, I have mentioned T code here, OBY6. And second thing is reversal reason code level. Reversal reason code, the reason code which you have used, right? So in that code level also you have to activate it. In case if the company code doesn't allow negative postings, in case if the company code doesn't allow negative postings, then the indicator set at reason code level. The indicator set was set at reason code level. Indicator was set at reason code level will be ignored. Will be ignored. Indicator which was set at reason code level will be ignored. Vice versa. So that means what? Company code level, it was not activated. It was selected reason code level, it will be ignored. Company code level you have activated, reason code level you have to activate it. Then it will be ignored. So both the places it must be activated. Now I'll show you that. So what I'm saying is here, if you want to activate negative postings, so you must select reason code level, and second thing is OBY6, company code global data, global parameters. So here also we have to activate it. What I'm saying, if you don't activate here, if you activate simply here, doesn't make sense. Both the places it must be activated. Okay, I'll show you. So first activate this and activate here both the places. Save it, and here also save it. Now both the places it was activated. Okay, and now I'll show you the same example and I'll show you the ledger balances. Okay, please wait. Observe now difference. Instead of posting 12th period, shall I post in 11th period, means February date? Then you will see here. Anyway, already the data is there. Okay, now I'll show you in this. Yes, Any period you can post it. There is no any issue. Let's go and post it. Okay, so 12th February 2022. Any date you can post it. Same account to amount to 14,500. 50 cash bank account amount to star text plus simulate save it. Now I have posted one entry. If I go back and check my ledger balances, where it will be displayed? In debit side. Debit side will be displayed it. Okay now? Okay, now let me reverse it. Now by activating the negative postings allowed checkbox. Both the places. Reason code level and company code level. We have to activate it. If we activate either one of the place, the other place will be ignored. No use. Okay. Now see here. Let me reverse the document. What is document number? 40. Yeah? Okay, so far. Let me reverse the document number 40. Carefully, observe carefully. 40. No need to specify the date. By default, same date it will be reversed it. In that case, simply save it. Document number 41 was posted. If I go on display document number 41, rent here is credit. Document wise here, rent is credit. Bank to debit. But if I go and check the ledger balance, right, instead of updating the rent account to credit side, okay, it will update it in the debit side itself. It will update in the debit side itself. See, it's gone. Why it's gone? Value 0, right? So that's why it's not displayed here. Double click on it, debit side. So you can see both the documents. First document and second document. See, second document is credit. Credit values supposed to be updated here, right? Under credit column here. If you double click on here, nothing is there. Not yet posted. But what happened here? Instead of posting credit side, it is updated in the debit side itself by reducing the balance. That is negative portion allowed function. Normal reversal, what happened? In normal reversal mode, debit transaction was posted credit side. That's why I have posted two separate periods to see the difference between normal impact and negative portions impact. Okay, this is what it is. So if you observe carefully, instead of updating the value opposite side, it will reduce the amount from the same side. If someone asks interview point of view, what is the user negative portion allowed, you can say that, boss, generally when you reverse the transaction, it should be updated debit side. Okay, credit debit, incorrect debit will be updated credit side, incorrect credit will be updated debit side. But if you activate the negative portions allowed functionality, okay, system will reduce the amount from the same side instead of posting it. So why we have to show like this, boss? Means very simple. If you have used cash flow and funds flow statements, right? So for example, if I received one transaction, I reverse it. It is going out. So that means is it a going out transaction, cash flow outflow? No, just a reverse transaction. Some cases, okay, showing the account balances perfectly. So we have to activate this. Otherwise, it's not required. Generally, we do follow normal reversal method only. But knowledge-wise, understand what is the use of negative postings impact if I have activated. So with this, it will be updated. So both the places you have to activate it. If you activate at resident code level, not activate at company code level, no use. If you activate company code level and not activate resident code level, it will not work. Normal reversal. If you want to have the negative posting function, both the places you have to activate this indicator. You can try during your practice. Okay, good. Now reason codes. Okay, you are now very familiar both the options. Okay, I don't want, then you can remove this, not an issue. Okay, now we need one reason code for reversal purpose, right? Let's create new entries. See, while creating the reason code only, okay, we are okay here diverted to these two functionalities. Now practically you understood these two functions. Okay, I need one reversal reason code. I need one reason code for reversal. So that's why let me go inside and create it. What is my company code? So anything you can enter it. FT. Okay, FT is my company code. That's why just to remember purpose. Okay, I have entered the same naming format. Okay, here description is accrual deferral reason. Negative portion allowed, not required. Alternate portion is required. Yes. Simply save it. Save it. Now I have created a reason code to proceed further. That's it. Okay, reason codes are now ready. Let's go on to testing. Okay, by creating the accrual deferral document and reverse the accrual deferral document and post one actual entry. Okay, write down whatever I have explained now so far. All are part of accrual deferral document. So while creating the reason code, there are two checkboxes are there. You understood these two checkbox fields functions practically. Write down the second step. That means testing. You can put testing. Instead of writing now configuration activity 2, put testing. Okay, testing. First step. We have to create accrual deferral document, right? Nothing but provision. We are going to make provision here for any expenses which you are going to clear next month first week. So before going to finalize the here March books, okay, there are some expenses. For example, electricity. Okay, where we are going to pay in next month first week. But then if I don't capture that expenses in March month, I cannot calculate correct financial statements. Okay, right? Okay, so for after loss. So that's why what we have to do based on the previous amount, we have to make one provision approximately. Okay, so we are not giving to cash credit. So instead of that, we are going to give outstanding expense account credit. Okay, write down heading. First step. Enter accrual deferral document or create or enter or save. Don't worry. Enter, create. Sorry, enter accrual deferral document. Accrual deferral document. Any date you can enter, no problem. Assume we are currently in February ending. Any date you can enter it. Entry for expenses provision. What is the accounting entry? Some expense, electricity expense account to outstanding expense account. Electricity expense account to outstanding expense account. So do we have the electricity expense account code? Just to go and check it. If not, we're going to create it. Not an issue. You can take any existing account as a reference and just change the description also. Electricity expenses account. The rest of the account details are same. Okay, perfect. Okay, simply save it. Now this is the account. I'm going to use it. See here. So what did I say? Okay, provision expenses account, electricity expense account, any expenses account, you can take it to outstanding expense account. So let's go and create it. Note. Note. This is one of the month-end activities in FI model. This is one of the month-end activities in FI model. The monthly ones. Okay, we have to perform this transaction. This is one of the month-end activities in FI model. So you know, right? All month-end activities are available. All month-end year-ending activities are available under here periodic processing. Okay, periodic processing on let me go here. Path is already provided in the notes. Don't worry. Just here. Write down. Okay, so transaction code FBS1. Okay, FBS1. Enter accrual deferral document. T code FBS1. Path, you don't need to worry. It is there in the notes. Even if you don't know the path, you know very well how to get to know the path. So write down the transaction code FBS1. Now what did I say? This is one of the month-end activities in FI model. So what does it mean? Why generally in which case you do go for this transaction? Pending closing transactions. Okay, example, see, electricity expenses. We are supposed to pay in first week of next month because we do receive the bill. Okay, second or third something example. But now I am going to finalize the books for this month. Then how do I go proceed further? That to make proceed. That's what I am doing here now. Okay. So month ending activity. See here. Document date to post date, month end date. Right now, it already is there. That's why I mentioned here clearly. Okay, month end process. So that's why here month end date you also enter it. Understand we are correcting in February month ending. Why I'm not using March month? No. Next year is next. Okay, next month is next year. So we have to perform 3 activities related to next year wise. That's what. Okay, I'm using this example. Okay, in February month. Don't get confused. So assume currently we are in February ending. Okay, we are going to finalize the books for February month. So February ending date you are supposed to enter here. What type of document you are going to post? Yes, it is there in the notes, don't write. Just concentrate. Company code. Okay, company code. So I told you, right? In the accrual deferral document itself, you have to specify the reason code. Why you are going to reverse the document. So is this the reason code you created? No. You have created a separate reason code for your purpose, right? Example FT. So this is the reason code you created. And reversal posting, reversal date, of course, next month first. Means March month. See why I am not entering here March 31st and why April 1st is April 1st reversal document is going to be created next year. So next year point of view, we have to maintain separate number ranges for 2022 also. So that's why I am here using February month date and reversing in the March month. And understand currently we are in February month ending. Okay. So you have to March 1st. So like this, you have to specify additionally. So what is the accounting entry? You know very well. Expenses account are to outstanding expense account. Enter. This is my document number 30. Enter it. How much amount? Anything you can specify. 1 lakh rupees. Okay, description of provision for electricity expenses. And here 50. And here you have to specify outstanding expense account. You remember the GL account, enter it. If you don't remember it, you can get it from the list. This is my outstanding expenses account. Press enter it. Amount to star. Text to plus. Press enter. See here, by this is regular transaction. By posting this transaction in February month, I can prepare my books for February month. And immediately I have to reverse it in the next month first. If I don't reverse it, what will happen? It will be okay, double effect. Now see here example. So like this February date, I'm reversing in the next month first, March first example. Save it. Document posted successfully. Now I want you to go and verify the GL account balances. Write down next step. Display GL account balances. Display GL account balances. Display GL account balances. T code FS10N. T code FS10N. FS10N. Ledger balance. Which account? You can just select expenses account. Okay, company code, West Career, execute it. See here. Now, document was posted for February month, 11th period. I can generate my financial statements for February month. I'll prepare it. I have considered all the expenses. But if I don't consider this and calculate profit or loss, that's not correct. You didn't capture all the expenses, all the revenues. Now here, we consider. Okay, that is the difference. Got it? So now I can generate my financial statement for February month. Done. Next month first, you have to reverse it. Why? We are going to receive the actual amount. Okay, so March 2nd or 3rd, we are going to receive the actual transaction. Okay, so in that case, it has to be posted. So when you posted, again it will be double effect, no? So that's the reason. 1 second. This is the other one. See here. Now posted. Okay, I can join. Okay, since the values are updated in 11th period, February month, I can prepare my financial statements. Done. All the expenses are considered. But actually, this is not the actual amount. This is just a provision amount. Now, amount might be 90,000 or 1,10,000 or 1,05,000, anything. Instead of posting the transaction manually, reverse it this transaction. Okay, reverse it. Then what will happen? It will be reversed in the next month. First means March. Okay, it will not be reversed in the same month. Observe. Okay, because I have mentioned here March 1st. March 1st means 12th period will be posted. So for February month, I can prepare the financial statement and overall year wise. Okay, when I reverse it, value will be 0. I'll show you that. Okay, observe the account balances carefully. Next step, reverse accrual deferral document. It will not be reversed automatically. You have to reverse it. Reverse accrual deferral document. Reverse accrual deferral document. T code F.81. Path already it is there in notes. Okay, next step. Reverse accrual deferral document. Note, this is also one of the month-end activities. This is also one of the month-end activities. T code F.T code. And correct. See here you have to specify your company code. And here you have to specify your fiscal year if you want. First do it in trial mode. Okay, first do it in always trial mode. Tester mode means trial mode. Execute it. Here you can see the list of documents which can be reversed, which cannot be reversed. Separate categories are there. So here one document is there, 42. This is the document I have posted. See which can be reversed. But there are no any documents here which cannot be reversed. Okay, good. You can reverse here itself. Otherwise, go back, remove the test on checkbox and execute it. So automatically it will be reversed. Automatically it will be reversed. See, 42 document was posted with 43. If you click on this document number, here itself people understand. See, 42 is original document, posted on 28th. If I click on this document, 43 was generated for 42, and this document was posted on 1st March, means 12th period. See, expense account here, create. Understand? Okay, so write down next step. Accounting entry is also very important. You can write down the accounting entry if you want. First, reverse the accrual deferral document, right? And write down the accounting entry here. 1st March 2022. Write down the accounting entry. Date, write down date also very important. See what happened when you reverse the transaction? Outstanding expense account created here. It become here debit. So nullified. Expense account here debit, right? It become credit. So like this, it is completely nullified, the values. Now write down the accounting entry, and next step, go and display your GL account balances and see the impact. Write down display GL account balances. Display GL account balances. Display GL account balances. Transaction code FS10N. FS10N. If I go and check my ledger balance here, how it will be displayed? See, executed. See here, this is my debit transaction. Reverse it, it become credit in the next month first. If you reverse in the same month, right, value is 0, that means you didn't post any transaction. See, it was posted in February month, so 11th period. I can generate financial statements, but overall impact year wise, okay, value here is 0. Overall year wise, overall impact in the year 0. So that means you didn't capture your transaction. Okay, that's why it is reversed in next month first. If you reverse in the same month, that means 0 itself, the period itself 0. Not like that. So since entry was posted in February month, I can generate the financial statements, okay, and close it, and then immediately reverse in the next month first. So overall impact wise here it is 0. But I am not preparing the financial statement year wise. I am preparing here financial statement period wise. So for that particular month, you calculate your profit or loss accordingly. Okay, now I know the actual amount. Today currently we are on February, March 5th or March 4th example. I have received actual amount 1 lakh or 90,000 or 20,000 or 2 lakh, whatever amount it is. I will simply post one fresh entry, expenses account data or the electricity expense account data or 1,05,000 or 90,000 or 1 lakh, whatever it is, to bank account. Simply that entry again will be posted here, debit side. Okay, write down. Next thing is post actual expense amount. And when you receive the actual bill, you are going to pay. So write down post actual expenses account. Post actual expenses account. Date March 5th we have received, right? So March 5th I am going to post it. Electricity expense account data. Amount if it's increased 1 lakh 5 or decrease 90,000, whatever it is. Who knows how much it will come? So whatever actual amount we received, accordingly you have to post it. So this is the best option, right? So instead of going to the provision account and clear it and adjust the amounts, so this is the best approach. Post it, finalize the profit or loss and reverse it, and post actual entry. So otherwise it will impact. Write down electricity expense account data 1,05,000 rupees to bank account in case if we increase or decrease or whatever it is. Just to be okay. Earlier we made provision entry. Okay, it will not be corrected, right? As it is. Electricity expense account data 1,05,000 to bank account 1,05,000. Let me post the same entry with actual amount. Just 2 minutes max, please wait. With March 2022. With March 2022. Okay, expenses account. How much amount? It is 1,05,000 or 0, whatever it is. Actual entry 50 to bank account. Now bank, I am doing bank now. Enter it. See, expense, electricity expense account data are to bank account to okay March month date to 12th period will be updated. Save it. Done. After this transaction, no, go and check your ledger balance. Okay, I want you to observe the impact. Right on next step. Last step. Display GL account balances. Display GL account balances. T code FS10N. T code FS10N. Executed. See here, the net result. See the net result here. Actual amount year wise 1 lakh 5. The actual amount is posted. If you want to see prepare for financial statement February month, this month provision and reversing next month first, and value becomes 0, and again fresh enter I have posted it. So overall impact wise here 1,05,000 actual amount I have posted. This is the way the provisions are made in the month end and clear like this by using the accrual deferral document. Instead of going to the respective document and clear it. Okay, accrual deferral document is the best option for making provisions and reverse it in the next month first. Clear? Good. So try this and send me the screenshot of your practice, whatever you have completed so far. Okay? Good. To practice on daily basis. So tomorrow I'll show you how to clear the open item. In case if I have to clear open items, I made provision, right? If I have to clear open items, what are the methods we have it? Full clearing, partially clearing, recently clearing. So what type of accounting entries will be generated? What type of processes and what type of steps are involved in the process? All these things you are going to understand. If you understand this topic, means open item clearing concept, okay, almost enter FI. Okay, means how to clear vendor open items, how to clear customer open items, you will understand here itself. So that's why just observe, don't miss the classes. Okay, chalo guys. So today we covered accrual deferral document. So generally why we go for, when we will go for accrual deferral document, month end provisions purpose. In the accrual deferral document itself, we do specify reversal date and reverse it in the next month first, and post actual transaction when you know the actual amount. Simple steps, 3 steps. This is the best approach for making the provisions in the live environment for any pending transactions, which you are supposed to clear in the next month first week. Okay, good. Thank you all. So don't miss the classes. Attend regularly. So new joiners, today we don't have backup class. So what are topics we completed in last session yesterday? So please start doing practice. So if possible tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll plan to take one more session and close that. Okay, chalo. Thank you. See you tomorrow, 7 a.m. Bye.